Good morning or good evening. I hope you're doing okay. So let's start with S&P. Whew, what a rally. Okay, so I get back to this chart that I keep showing you. Um, I'm not sure it's gonna happen like this, but it can, okay? So let's look at the dot-com bubble, and these are different situations, but there is a chance that this can happen again. Okay, so this is in the dot-com bubble, the feds were increasing rates, right? And as they soon they start easing, it goes down. Here we have free money, it goes up, free money is over, bear rally. Okay, this bear market like lasted for almost a year, which is quite a lot, and we're soon about to take the trend line here. And from a technical point of view, if we can rally hard, have some sort of blow off top here, okay, like this. Sorry, we can do like this, and then slowly coming down all the way here. uh, I mean, that's a lot, 2,700, but I think we will see like 3,000 something again. Um, we might put in some sort of monthly, weekly bearish RSI divergence here. I'm not so sure. This it's like a wild card. Okay, I'm guessing this is gonna happen. I mean, history can repeat itself, but it doesn't necessarily have to. As you can see, Uh, the S&P was under the 200 moving average and 100 on the weekly here in this period, okay? And then here from this was like the 2007 to 2009. Oh, that was the financial crisis, okay? We had this was the most recent one here at the pandemic failed to break. If we break here, I'm expecting a continuation, okay? Again, it's not a necessarily thing. It can and it cannot happen, okay? That's why it's a question mark here. I'm not 100% sure of this idea. That's why it's an idea, okay? But we will take it as it comes. If you have more experience than me, maybe you can explain much better. If you're watching this, I would really appreciate if you can write a comment on your thoughts. So there is no shame, I don't know everything. So if you know something better than me and you can explain it to the viewers, that would be great. If you don't, then I hope my information helps you. But let's look at the daily time frame here. Um, okay, so technically, we have a swing failed pattern here, but we got a nice rejection, and now this daily is under. I think Monday we're gonna turn lower. Um, if I was hoping for something like this, if I didn't catch this one, uh, eh, I mean it can still push higher. So that's why I'm trying to be cautious. I really don't want to force things. If this is gonna be a missed trade, I have no problem because I can buy from low, okay, from the lows again. But we'll see how the market behaves. This one, this trend line here, this multi-week trend line, proved to be quite the resistance. Okay, and again, from a seasonality point of view, uh, S&P usually bottoms. I don't know. You can put that with quotations mark. Bottoms. in mid-December. Okay, so mid-December would be here. Okay, we have 21 days for this to come down. If we compare the last rally here, that was 21 days, I think, 17 days or something. Let me see. Yeah, see? Oh, this can be some sort of fractal. So this can happen, and it can happen very, very fast. There are people saying like we won't see 3,500 again. Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Don't be so uh, optimistic. Okay, nothing has changed. I mean, the if the Feds are pausing, it's okay, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they won't hike anymore, or like they are pivoting. There is clearly no sign of a pivot, to be honest. That's my personal opinion. I don't see any pivot. Okay, so if we were to take a trade, let's take it from here, you know, like this. Let's see if we can take this trade. I'm actually gonna take the trade right now for let me see. Let me log into my account. Come on, man. I don't know why it doesn't want to log in to the account. It says I have no connection. What the hell? Okay. Okay, now I'm logged in. Let's see if we can take S&P short. Um, it's a. I mean, the risk to reward is quite good. So let's punt short. Okay, I will do it. So just so let me show you that I took the trade. Pum, pum, pum. See, this is the trade. I will put the stop losses and everything there. So don't discount the market, right? Saying that it cannot happen, because it can. Otherwise, let's watch for this and be careful. Okay, this is like a very, very good risk to reward. So why not take it if this was the failed pattern here? And let's take a look at crypto very fast. I really don't like to repeat myself. I had a trade yesterday, a short from here, and I bailed on it. But this is my plan. I will long this area. I will put some orders in this box here. Um, I would love to see it lower. Maybe we won't get it lower, but if we look like maybe I mean liquidity sits in around here. Okay, this is the breakout here, so I'm guessing the market will hunt for liquidity here. um we'll see. So we take baby steps. Okay, no need to rush into trades. I'm actually a bit sorry that I bailed on this trade, because I could have booked 2R. So no worries, it's okay. We will take a look at it later. Let me see this. Crap. Yeah, this one I got stopped out. So can't believe it did twice this shit. I don't know why this isn't falling. It should come down, but it is what it is. Let's take a look at FX really quick. Um, we got a 2R trade here. We took the trade at the open. That was really good. There was no clear long or short for me, so maybe we will get something like this. The hell is a black hole? Black hole. What? Oh, yeah, whatever. I don't know what's this. Oh, I cannot. Let me. Okay. I don't know what's that. I just wanted to see what it is. So here we will be careful because um, I don't have any like here. I could have long this area, but it was so uncertain that I really don't want to do it. Okay. If it pushes higher, no, I have no issues. Maybe we'll go to 1.6 here, but this is where we will short for sure. This is where we will where we will short. Okay, in this area here. Let me see what's on the weekly. How much? But yeah, this look like a good area to short. This is the breakdown here, so uh, we'll see. Um, that's the plan for euro. The Australian dollar. I haven't traded this in a while. Um, I don't know. I didn't like it that much. But if we want to pound the trade, we will have to wait. If it's gonna break this trend line here, I will take a trade. So only with confirmation, right? So it will be something like this, okay? And then this is gonna be our target. Um, so not really gonna do anything. If it breaks this high here, uh, oh, we have this area here. Let me see. Well, that's the July low. So our next target should be this one here, okay, in around 6.9. If stocks tank, I think by year end we can get this. I think it's possible, it's doable. So let's be patient a bit. I think it will come back into this trend line, kind of form like some sort of this pattern here, right? And reclaim, and so this is gonna be our plan. Long if we kind of see a bounce and get some sort of confirmation from July low, or short if we get below the trend line. To be honest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're missing the fifth wave. If this, or maybe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, and C. So this can be a B, right? And this can be a C wave. Yeah, this could be the B wave because it rallied hard. And now we're starting the C wave. So it's gonna be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So something like that. Um, we will long again. Let me see. Yeah, if it takes this, we will see. But yeah, I think maybe one more swing fail pattern here, under here, and then we can long. But as I said, we have to be patient. Break higher, we take a small scalp here. The British pound has been on a tear. It's been quite aggressive going up, but I think this is the key area where you want to look for shorts. I think uh, the move is already hyperextended, right? So when you are at extremes, you have to be cautious. This is where we look to short, okay? This is our plan to short. Uh, let me show you one thing. So I thought we will break out here. I was wrong on the idea. And here I was long, and for some fucking reason, I said, nah, it's gonna go down. And as soon as I closed the long and I turned short, it just rallied. And instead of like punting along, I just watch it rally. Sometimes I just freeze. Okay, this is this is not something that happens very often, but it's when I'm tired, I get this freeze kind of situations. So it happens. Okay. Again, as I said in my previous update, from a psychological point of view, if you need a rest, just take a rest, because I was just uh, staying up late trading Bitcoin, which is stupid. I could have just slept and couldn't care if it went up or down. Now this looks like it's about to complete. Okay, so this is your A wave. Okay, if we're gonna put something like this, A, B, and C. This is your December bottom. Okay, when this hits, when we hit 61.8, this is where we'll look for dollar shorts. Okay, I think the FOMC meeting is in on 15th of December. Let me see. Yeah, so this will be our turnaround point. Until then, I think the dollar can rally. So I think after the Fed, we will probably be long risk assets. Okay, until then we're short risk assets. And let me see if I covered everything. DXY, as soon as it hits the 200 EMA, that's why I have this alert here. That's when I will turn long on the dollar. I think there will be a reaction here because this is the liquidity. So from the top you have A, B, and this is your C wave, one, two, three, four, five. So and then it completes a big A wave, and then we get a rally here. This is going to be your B wave, and then C for the final leg down. And then in probably Q2 or Q3, we might see the dollar strong again. But let's see where the market takes us. And let me see. Yeah, I think I've covered everything. Okay. The Japanese yen. Look at this, man. If I held this trade here, that would have been a crazy, crazy trade. But I didn't. Okay, it happens. Now we're about to hit this trend line here, so we have to be careful. It's the same with yields. They have one more push lower, and then we can we can take it from there. Otherwise, this looks good. We will see on Monday what happens. Man, I hate when these lines. Sorry. We will see on Monday what happens. This is where we plan to long. Okay. So until then, we sit tight. Nothing to do. If we see some opportunity to long, maybe from here or here, we will see. But otherwise, have a great weekend. Today, the markets will close sooner. So just be mindful of that. Um, Otherwise, yeah. Have a great day and catch you on Monday.